Hello, everyone. How are you today?
Hello, everyone. Welcome. We are so happy to see you again. I'm Jessie.
And I'm Jake. Welcome to our channel, English Motivated. This is a warm and friendly place where we learn English with real-life feelings.
Today's topic is very special. We are going to talk about your goals in English.
Every day, we think about our goals. Sometimes in the morning, sometimes at night.
Goals help us move forward in life. They give us hope, direction, and strength.
Maybe your goal is small. Maybe your goal is big. Both are important.
Today, we will talk slowly, clearly, and calmly so you can understand and feel every word.
If you want to improve your English and feel motivated, you are in the right place.
So relax, take a deep breath, and listen with your heart. Let's begin.
What is a goal? A goal is something you want to do in the future.
Yes, a goal is like a destination. It is the place you want to reach.
A goal can be very simple. For example, I want to wake up early. I want to speak English better.
Goals are not only about money or success, goals are about daily life too.
For example, my goal today is to drink enough water. That is also a goal.
My goal can be to read one page of a book. Small goal, but meaningful.
Goals help us stay focused. When we have a goal, our mind feels clearer.
Without a goal, we feel lost sometimes. We don't know what to do next.
A goal gives direction, like a map in a long journey.
Goals can be short-term or long-term. Short-term goals are for today or this week.
Long-term goals are for months or years, like becoming confident in English.
Goals help us grow step by step, not fast, but steady.
When you have a goal, you feel hopeful. You believe tomorrow can be better.
And remember, your goal does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be real.
Your goal is your personal promise to yourself.
Now, let me talk about my personal goals.
Yes, please share with us.
My first goal is to improve my English every day. Just a little, not too much.
That's a great goal.
Every morning, I practice speaking for 10 minutes. I talk to myself in English.
I do that too.
My second goal is to stay positive, even when the day is hard.
That is very important.
I also have a goal to sleep on time. Good sleep helps my mind.
My personal goal is to be disciplined. I try to follow a simple routine.
Small goals help us feel confident. When we complete them, we feel proud.
And confidence grows slowly, like a plant.
If you like learning English this way, subscribe to English Faster.
Yes, learning should feel natural and happy. Sometimes goals feel hard. Oh,
Yes, sometimes I feel confused.
I ask myself, am I doing the right thing?
Fear comes sometimes. Fear of failure.
That feeling is normal.
When I feel confused, I take a break. I breathe slowly.
I remind myself why I started.
Slowly, my mind becomes clear again.
And I feel relieved.
Challenges make us stronger. They teach us patience.
Big goals need small daily actions.
You don't need to do everything today.
Just one small step is enough.
Practice every day, even for 5 minutes.
Consistency is more important than speed.
Positive mindset helps a lot.
Say to yourself, I can do this.
Write your goal on paper. Read it every morning.
Comment one small goal you have. We want to hear from you.
So, Jake, what is your goal this week?
My goal is to drink less coffee.
That's a good one. What about you, Jesse?
My goal is to smile more.
Dear viewers, what is your goal? Tell us in the comments. We are listening.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you are grateful to have you here.
Remember, goals make life meaningful.
Never stop believing in yourself.
Subscribe, like, share, comment your goal.
This is English Motivated. Goodbye, take care, and stay positive.